Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at how I take somebody's real life clothing and get it Funko sized. So let's hop onto the computer and I'll show you how I do it. So here we are on the website. This is my son's shirt, and this website has a good image of what I want to trace. So you can copy it or save it. Then go into your vector program, paste that image, and this is what we're going to use to trace. Now this image is symmetrical, so I'm going to save myself some work, and I'm only going to have to trace half of it. So I'll cover the other half up. And from here, I'm going to grab my pen tool because this is what I'm going to use to draw my shapes. Now I'm just going to create a new layer because I don't know where that layer went. Here we go. Let's just try that again. And layer. There we go. So now I've got my pen tool and I'm going to zoom in on this nostril. And I'm just going to start clicking and tracing over what I want. So each click puts down a node. And now final click, close up that shape. Change into my node tool. I'm going to change the color of what I drew so that it's different from what I'm tracing. Let's use red instead. Once I reduce the opacity, I can now see through the shape that I drew and onto the shape that I traced. Now I just grab the nodes, which are these little dots, and I can put my shape into the correct position that I like. And once you're happy with that, you change your color back to, in this case, black. Bring your opacity back up. And there you go, you've got your one shape. So that's the process that I'm going to have to go through for every single shape that's on this picture. So I'll just show you the layers. First thing I started was with the green base layer. That's the background that is going to make up this dino robot. From there, I decided to start tracing all of the black. And you can see that is a lot of shapes that I traced. There's the cheek. And that's a lot of shapes. Piece of the jaw there, another piece there. And one by one, I just got all these shapes created. There's some jawline. Lots and lots and lots of shapes. So, I mean, it's a lot of work, but it ends up giving you a nice crisp image that you can scale up. We got the eyeball, the mouth, and again, teeth. All those teeth, every one of those teeth was drawn exactly how I did that nostril. One click at a time. So we've got the red mouth, and then now we start adding this half-tone coloring. I'm sure in a program like Illustrator, there's an easier way to do this than how I did this. The way I did this was pretty complicated, using making sacrificial shapes and masking. And I don't know, if you want to see a video of that, comment below and I'll show you how I did that. But once you have your images all made, you can select them all, you can copy, paste, and then go up to here. There's a little flip icon, so you flip it, line your two sides up, you've got a shape that is now capable of being scaled up and scaled down and put onto water slide decal paper, and now you can print it and put it onto your Funko. And there you go, everybody. That's how I make real life clothing Funko sized. So creating that image took about 3 hours, maybe a little bit more, but it's these details that I think make my pop figures better than Funko's. Thanks for watching.